राजेश खन्ना भी यूज़ किया है क्या?
हाँ।
Hey everyone, welcome back to Carpe Diem with Ridhima. In this leg, we are moving from Vadodara to Udaipur. As you guys know, this road trip has a special vibe. My 91-year-old Bhalu Kaka, 86-year-old Swarna Kaku, plus my brother-in-law Udayan and his wife Bela. So let's roll. In the last episode, you must have seen how we started from Mumbai to Udaipur road trip. Because of road conditions and traffic, we had to take an overnight halt at Vadodara. We stayed at Royal Orchid and next day we set out for our onward journey. So here we go. So post our buffet breakfast at Royal Orchid, we loaded up the car. Kaka Kaku ke साथ traveling was super inspiring. They are always so ready for adventure.
वो तो कुछ है।
The roads now were quite decent, better than earlier, though the rain had carved out patches of bad stretch, but with music and good company, it felt like a smooth ride. यहाँ पे we paused at a petrol station. And what do? Of course, we wander into the little store next to it. काफ़ी attractive jewelry थी. So Bela, me and Kaku went in for some jewelry shopping. Because who says you can't glam up mid road trip, है ना? ये stretch में even I drove a bit. The roads were good, the music was on, and the vibe was just right. But as we neared Rajasthan again, rain started. And Udayan took over the wheel. Finally, we reached Udaipur. We checked into Club Mahindra Resort, a gorgeous property with 124 rooms, a gym, swimming pool, kids play area, evening entertainment and more. We opted for a buffet breakfast and dinner package which came in handy. Since it was Ganesh Chaturthi day, the resort had बहुत ही सुंदर गणपति की मूर्ति, decor and puja. Dinner was festive, delicious, especially for all generations together. So it was good fun. Next day, super early, around 4:30 am, Bela and I set out for Srinathji temple. We booked a car via the resort travel desk. Club Mahindra to Srinathji temple is about 1.5 hours drive. For me, it was a first visit. Bela had been before. That early morning drive felt so spiritual. You are not allowed to take your phones inside. हमारा बहुत अच्छा दर्शन हुआ. We felt so nice. उसके बाद outside the temple they had tea, coffee, hot poha. But we had कुल्हड़ वाली चाय कॉफ़ी and because हम लोग का breakfast था resort पे.
Hello.
Back in the resort, breakfast included something I never tried before. Kadhi kachori. What a combo! बहुत tasty था. Breakfast के बाद we headed to the resort's Happy Hub, जहाँ पे indoor games रहते हैं. We all got competitive carom, chess, board games. Uncle and auntie also joined. Their enthusiasm is infectious. It's so fun seeing all ages bonding over simple games. है ना? Our evening plan was to visit the Vintage and Classic Car Museum. Their collection includes about 20 antique cars. Rolls-Royce, Cadillac, MG TSDC convertible, Ford A convertible. This museum is worth visiting. So if you are in Udaipur, please do visit this museum.
हमारा ना?
महाराजा बैठेगी रेड लाइट, महारानी बैठेगी ब्लू लाइट.
ओके.
फॉकलैंड कन्वर्टेबल. अच्छा. कॉकपिट टाइप डैशबोर्ड. ये एरोप्लेन टाइप डैशबोर्ड लगा हुआ है. स्पोक्समैन कास्ट का है.
शूटिंग के लिए पोलो
ये राजेश खन्ना भी यूज किया है क्या?
हाँ उसमें भी था
हाथी मेरे साथ में।
चल चल
Next, we made our way to Lake Pichola. This is a man-made freshwater lake built in 1362 AD, named after the nearby Picholi village. The lake's creation and expansion were key to Udaipur's founding and water system. Because it was rainy and gloomy that evening, the sunset wasn't as dramatic as we hoped. But the mist, the reflections, the boats, the mood, still magical in its own way. For dinner, we aimed for Ambrai restaurant, which is quite famous on Lake Pichola. But taking the car all the way wasn't practical because वो गलियाँ काफ़ी narrow है, so taking your car is not a good idea. So we parked our car at a municipal parking lot and then grabbed one of those autos bigger than Mumbai ones, and हम सब लोग एक ही ऑटो में निकल पड़े. We were not so hungry, so we ordered cocktails and starters, soaking in the view. Morning brought fresh energy. Udan and Bela had plans to cycle to an Adivasi village, लेकिन बीच में ही उदयन के साइकिल ब्रेक्स फेल हो गए. He took a tumble and injured his shoulder with a hairline fracture. Bela rushed him to hospital. Thankfully, everything was okay. He ended up with his arm in a sling for the next 4 weeks. Despite the pain, his spirit stayed strong. Udayan decided to take rest back at the resort. We had plans for Sajjangarh, जिसको Monsoon Palace भी बुला जाता है, but the skies didn't cooperate. So instead, we went to shopping place called Rajasthali.
और इसमें बिल कौन सा है?
18 टाइप का शीट है रेडी वीडियो का.
और
Back at the resort, we played games, watched a puppet show. Then we all danced together. Udayan with a sling on. उसके बाद Kaku tried pottery. Udayan was in pain, but his spirit didn't dampen. So that night we took a decision कि Udayan Kaka Kaku will go to Mumbai by air, and Bela and I opted to drive back. So we had to find a good driver. Thankfully, the Club Mahindra staff connected us with some reliable driver. Then Bela, Kaku and I went shopping at Hathi Pole. Pure chaos, joy, colors, bargains. We bought artifacts, clothes, souvenirs, and then we savored the best samosas ever. Hot, crisp, flavorful. I swear I have never had samosas that good. I strongly recommend these samosas. After that, we went back to the resort, had the final buffet dinner and turned in early. We had to start early the next morning for the 19-hour drive back to Mumbai. So, yeah, this leg of the trip had everything: joyous times, small mishaps, tender moments, celebration, travel challenges, and bonding across generations. Some takeaways from this trip: age is no barrier. Seeing uncle and auntie travel with us, play games, smile every day was deeply inspiring. Second, when things go wrong, like जो उदयन के साथ हुआ, spirit plus support matter more than panic, right? Sometimes rain ruins your sunset but gives you memories, those epic rickshaw rides. Travel isn't always glamorous. Roads, delays, fatigue, but good company makes it magical, right? We all reached Mumbai safely, Bela and I by car, and the other three by air. Thank you, driver, for your patience and skill. Thank you, Udaipur, with all your lakes, royal charm, rain, and colors for unforgettable memories. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you want more travel stories, tips, and behind the scenes fun. I'll see you in the next vlog. Till then, Carpe Diem, love you all, take care.